Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Cadillac certified 2016 Cadillac SRX Performance Collection all-wheel drive, stock number Z7638X. Only 26,000 miles and there's one owner. Clean auto check history report, black Raven in color. To be Cadillac certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which includes courtesy transportation and 24-hour roadside assistance. SRX is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items, advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, backup camera, and rear parking sensors, power liftgate for convenience, lots of storage space in the rear, and not only low miles but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This performance collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power liftgate control, power seats with memory settings for 2 drivers, power adjustable pedals, and tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, cruise control. It's also where you control the forward collision alert, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen cue system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio apps. Navigation, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input. Large glove box with all the owner's material. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this SRX has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 308 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway. All that with new tires. Don't forget about that Cadillac certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.